When most people think of working out, saunas probably aren't the first thing that comes to mind. But back in the 1980s, researchers in Finland began a massive long-term study on men's heart health. They followed more than 2,000 participants for 2 decades, tracking their lifestyle, diet, exercise, and habits. When the data came back, one surprising factor stood out. It wasn't running or dieting or even strict workouts. The men who enjoyed regular sauna sessions showed some of the strongest signs of better health. For Finns, this wasn't shocking at all. Saunas are a part of daily life, with roots going back thousands of years. They aren't unique. Romans had bathhouses. Japan has onsens. Native American cultures developed sweat lodges. Across the world, heat has long been seen as a form of therapy. But only recently have scientists begun to understand why. Step inside a traditional sauna, where temperatures can climb near 90 degrees Celsius and the body immediately kicks into survival mode. Sensors in your skin detect the heat and alert your brain. Blood vessels expand, heart rate increases, and your skin temperature rises as your body works to cool itself by sweating. It might feel similar to exercise, and in many ways it is. Physiologists often compare a sauna session to a moderate workout. While it's not a replacement for physical activity, controlled exposure to heat challenges the cardiovascular system and can gradually make it stronger. There's also evidence that heat may speed up recovery after tough workouts. Exercise causes tiny tears in muscle fibers that must be repaired. This healing process creates inflammation, which can sometimes slow recovery. If it builds up too much, increasing circulation, saunas may help deliver the nutrients muscles need to heal, while flushing out waste products. The benefits don't stop there. Our cells produce special molecules called heat shock proteins whenever we're exposed to high temperatures. These proteins help repair damaged DNA and keep essential enzymes functioning. Saunas. People who frequently use saunas often show higher levels of these protective proteins. The Finnish study found that men who visited the sauna 4 to 7 times a week had lower risks of high blood pressure, healthier cholesterol, and even reduced risk of premature death compared to those who rarely went. Of course, scientists still caution that saunas aren't magic. Lifestyle factors like diet, exercise, and genetics all play roles, and more research is needed across different groups of people. Heat exposure can also be risky for certain individuals, such as those who are pregnant or living with specific health conditions. But one thing is clear. The tradition of sauna bathing is more than cultural. It's a practice that may hold real power for heart health, recovery, and longevity. So the next time you step into a sauna, remember what feels like simple relaxation might actually be giving your body a workout from the inside out. If you enjoyed this breakdown of hidden health secrets, don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to Smart Tips. Join us for more fascinating insights into the science of everyday life. From the tiniest microbes to the solar system and beyond, there's a lot of information out there, but not all of it is created equal. That's why our team of editors works tirelessly to bring you the most fascinating, surprising, and important stories from the world of science. We dig deep into the research and break down complex topics.
Hey, welcome to Smart Tips. If you love learning cool facts and tips that make life easier, hit that subscribe button right now and join the Smart Tips family. We've got fresh ideas, surprising facts, and a little bit of fun coming your way every week.